yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Hello, happy new year everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back for 2024, you guys. This unit here, let's go ahead and get right into how I came up, how I got this look. This unit is from UNice Hair. This is their new pre-everything wig, you guys. Basically, you pull it out the box and everything is upgraded. Everything is done for you. This is the star of the show for me right here because it's the first time I've seen something like this, but it is peelable tape for the ear tabs, you guys. So really, you could just use this tape and nothing else and let the rest of it be glueless, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works in just a minute. They've also upgraded how they cut the lace off, so the lace already comes nice and zigzag for you instead of coming straight across. Has a nice 13x4 large area for you to get your styling on. Pre-plucked hairline, lightly bleached knots as well. So let's go ahead and get into how we're styling this, you guys. Ain't nothing changed. You know, if it ain't broke, we don't fix it around here. This is my tried and true. This is not going to fail you. Y'all, look at exactly what I'm doing. Just brushed my little hairs back, added a little bit of powder to my wig cap and the wig itself. They of course also give you an elastic band and extra tape to use on your wig when you need to, because we're gonna be wearing this all year long. So you guys, all I'm doing right here is just lining everything up. I did wipe the sides of my ear tabs with alcohol just to make sure there was no like residue from the gel or anything, because it has to be completely clean. You're just gonna peel the tape off and then just stick it to your skin. Y'all, I'm letting you know right now, this tape is pretty sticky. It stayed on for me all day long and then some without budging, y'all, and I think it works really good. This is perfect for you if you want to go glueless. It definitely holds the sides for you, but it didn't quite melt the lace like I wanted to, so I just added a little bit of hairspray and just blow dried it down, you guys. But the top right here is completely glueless. As you can see, no hairspray, no nothing. So you can definitely get your little rat tail comb underneath there and scratch if you need to. But basically, it's just my ear tabs that have some adhesive on it. And then next, y'all, all I'm doing is just laying my edges, keeping this very simple. But I want to point out one thing I do to make sure the front of my head is nice and laid. Y'all know I am not giving up on this Design Essentials foam. This is the best foam that I have used. I do want to try a few new foams for my edges this year, so make sure you drop your favorite ones down in the comments. But y'all, after I lay my edges, get everything the way I want to, a key thing that I like to do that you've probably seen me do for years now is take a lot of foam, which I'm going to show you guys in just a second, but take a good amount of foam and just kind of mold the front of your hair the way you want the front to lay. Like I'm doing exactly right here, just taking some extra foam. And then I'm really going to press the hair down with my little edge brush using the comb side and get the hair exactly how I want it to lay. This makes sure it just looks so melted, and is a key thing to do, a key step into making your wig come out as flawless and as natural and as melted as can be. Y'all, save this video because one of my favorite holidays is coming up, and that's Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day, you guys, and I'm about to show y'all how to get the most voluminous, big hair, big, sexy, cute, playful curls. So first off, y'all, just brushing this hair out, which is absolutely beautiful. Y'all know UNice hair is always really good in my opinion. It never lets you down. This is body wave. I don't think I mentioned that, but this is body wave in 22 inches, I believe. So all I'm doing right here, and this is a key step, and more of this in 2024, is layering, like really getting up in there and adding some bold layers, some nice layers to your units. That's going to give you the most body. And a lot of times I'm like, oh, I put layers in it, but I really didn't do as much as I should have, which is why, you know, the hair doesn't have as much body as I would want it to have in the end. But this time, you guys, I went to town, and make sure you get the back of your head as well so that it's all nice and even. And look how much hair that I cut off, y'all. It's all good. It's okay. It's going to look good. Next, you guys, what I used to do a while ago is I would go in and flat iron this hair. Like, why would you do that? Why would I do that? I used to do this all the time. One, add too much wax stick. Don't do that. Just put it in the places that you need to. Use your your hot comb. And then I would go in and flat iron the hair just to put more curls in it, wishing and hoping for volume. That makes zero sense. So all I'm doing, you guys, is using my hot comb right at the top, making sure the wig is nice and flat as possible. And then I'm just going to take my little wand curler and just add some wand curls all throughout this unit, going in sections. They don't have to be super small curls, but of course make them however you want to. And then we'll brush them out, and I'll show you guys the final look in just a second. All right, you guys, so last step here that we're doing is we've got to brush these curls out. We're gonna have to brush them out if we want the volume, and that's what, of course, I was going for. So here you are, and basically this look is done. Like, keep it simple. If the wig already comes with volume, you guys, don't knock it out like I used to do. Don't be like me. Be like me now in 2024, yes, but not the old me who would just get straight to flat ironing their hair. Y'all, look how pretty the hair came out, and this is simple. Like, this is a true beginner friendly, just easy wig. Like, this is how the wig should be coming in 2024. We are tired. We are exhausted of having to customize every single thing, from the hairline to bleaching the knots ourselves, to cut, to color, to all that kind of stuff. But this unit here, UNice Hair, they got it right with their everything unit. You guys, make sure you check the description box. Y'all know I put everything down there that you will need. All the details to this unit will be down there, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy New Year to everyone, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.